Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I have another exercise for you called comparing values. So write a program that asks the user to enter the highest rainfall ever recorded in one season for a country and the rainfall in the current year for that country. Obtain the values from the user, check if the current rainfall exceeds the highest rainfall, and print an appropriate message on the screen. If the current rainfall is higher, the program should assign that value as the highest rainfall ever. Use only the single selection form of the if statement. And that is the exercise. It's very important that you do the exercise on your own, pause the video, do the exercise on your own. And once you're finished or you haven't been able to do it, then you can continue watching the video and I will solve this exercise in this video. See you! Welcome back and let's start coding on this exercise. I have included the standard input-output library and I have created my main function. Now I have created two variables, one for the highest rainfall and one for the current year's rainfall, and I have initialized both of them to 0. I've created two prompts for the user to enter the highest rainfall in their country, and then I will store that value in the highest rainfall variable, and then another prompt is asking the user to enter the current year rainfall in a season for their country and store that value in the current year rainfall. It's very important not to forget the ampersands, as I have forgotten. Yep, now it's good. Now I have created a comparison between the current year's rainfall and the highest rainfall. So if the current year's rainfall is higher than the highest rainfall, then this message will appear for the user that this year's rainfall exceeds the highest in your country's history. And also the current year's rainfall will be assigned to the highest rainfall value, because now the current year's rainfall is the highest rainfall in history. Finally, a message will appear for the user that will tell the user the highest rainfall ever recorded in the country's history. And if that highest rainfall was from this year, obviously the value of this year is assigned to the highest rainfall, so this year's rainfall will appear on this message. If it was not this year's rainfall, then some other number that was initially entered by the user in here will appear for the user. Let's go and save this program. And now let's go and run the program. Enter the highest rainfall in a season for your country. I will say 10. Enter the current year's rainfall in a season for your country. I will say 5. So now the highest rainfall ever recorded is 10. Now let's go and run this program once again, and I will change the values. So enter the highest rainfall in a season for your country. That is 10 still. But the current year rainfall in a season for your country exceeds the highest rainfall. Now that is, for example, 13. Now you can see that I have two messages. This year's rainfall exceeds the highest in your country's history. And the highest rainfall ever recorded is 13 instead of 10. That's it for this episode. See you in the next episode.